The stock market is on track to end the week with gains for investors. Let's send it over to Benjamin Poole of Verified Investing. Ben, good to see you. What are your 3 trading tips for today?
Tip number 1, if you're going to short the market, look for really strong resistance. Tip number 2 is if you're going long the market, look for really strong support. And then if you need additional guidance, look around and see who's good at technical analysis. That would be my 3rd tip is seek advice from people who know what they're doing, right? Just don't go blindly into the markets. Just figure out like who it is out there that does the best and learn from them, educate yourself, and then you won't be as surprised for the markets.
Do you think it's still a buy the dip stock market?
It 100% has been buy the dip market. You know, my analysis or my thesis on this is we are going to see a downturn. And we haven't seen that quite yet, like as far as like the major turn. But if you look at the economics, like the unemployment rate has actually, the people applying for unemployment has actually gone up, which typically would be a bad thing for the markets, but it's actually pushing the markets up. And so people are still buying the dips. Absolutely.
Those weekly jobless claims rose by 22,000, and yet the labor market remains hot. Even that small sign of a bit of a slower labor market is enough to get people excited about the stock market. What's your trade of the day?
The trade of the day is Costco. So Costco's getting up to a really good resistance level. Not only is it double top, but it's also a gap fill. And so if Costco were to get up to 785 around that area, that would be a good shortable level for me.
Thanks, Ben, for all of your trader talk.
Well, thank you guys for having me on. I appreciate it.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.